Introduction. Welcome to Bike Expert. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Hero Xpulse 210, the latest iteration of Hero MotoCorp's popular adventure bike. With a more powerful engine, modern features, and improved design, this bike is set to redefine the entry-level adventure segment. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Xpulse 210 a worthy upgrade. Upgraded engine for better performance. At the core of the Xpulse 210 is a 210 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine, borrowed from the Charisma XMR. This power plant delivers 24.6 PS at 9,250 RPM and 20.4 Newton-meters of torque at 7,250 RPM, making it more powerful and refined than its predecessor. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox and an assist and slipper clutch, the bike ensures smooth gear shifts and enhanced control, especially during aggressive downshifts. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling rough terrain, the Xpulse 210 promises an engaging and responsive ride. Adventure-ready design and styling. Hero has given the Xpulse 210 a refreshed look, maintaining its rugged identity while incorporating modern styling elements. A new LED projector headlamp with 8-shaped DRLs improves visibility at night, while a taller windscreen provides better wind protection for long-distance rides. The fuel tank remains slim, allowing for better control while standing on foot pegs, and the one-piece seat offers improved comfort for both the rider and pillion. The bike is available in multiple color options including wild red, glacier white, azure blue, and alpine silver, giving riders more choices to match their style. Modern features and smart technology. The Xpulse 210 is packed with advanced features, making it one of the most technologically equipped bikes in its segment. A 4.2-inch digital instrument cluster provides turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and real-time notifications for calls and messages. The top variant gets a TFT screen for a more premium experience. One of the biggest upgrades is the switchable dual-channel ABS, offering 3 riding modes: road, off-road, and rally. These modes adjust braking performance based on terrain, ensuring better safety and control in different conditions. Superior suspension and off-road capability. The Xpulse 210 is designed to handle diverse terrains, thanks to its robust suspension setup. The front features 41mm telescopic forks with 210mm of travel, while the rear gets a gas-charged monoshock with 205mm travel. This setup provides excellent shock absorption, making off-road rides smoother and more enjoyable. The bike retains its 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, fitted with dual-purpose tube-type tires that offer superior grip on both tarmac and dirt. Whether you're navigating city traffic or exploring off-road trails, the Xpulse 210 delivers exceptional stability and control. Pricing and availability. Hero MotoCorp has priced the Xpulse 210 at $175,800 ex-showroom, making it an affordable yet feature-packed adventure bike. Bookings will commence in February 2025, with deliveries expected to begin in March 2025. The bike will be available in 2 variants, catering to different rider preferences. Final thoughts: is it worth the upgrade? The 2025 Hero Xpulse 210 brings substantial improvements in performance, design, and technology, making it an excellent adventure touring machine. With its powerful engine, advanced features, and off-road capabilities, it's a great choice for both beginners and experienced riders looking for an adventure-ready bike. Stay tuned to Bike Expert for more updates, in-depth reviews, and comparisons of the latest motorcycles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.